Best treadmills for seniors. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As we age, our bodies start to slow down. This can be frustrating and depressing as it is tough to keep up with the same energy levels you had when you were younger. The good news is that there are several solutions for seniors who want to get back in shape. One of these solutions is finding the best treadmill for seniors. These machines provide all the health benefits of regular walking without putting strain on your joints or causing injury. Plus, they're much more affordable than other options such as personal training sessions or gym memberships. Here's our top 10 list of the best treadmill for seniors from Amazon today. Before starting, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill. The very best in walking and jogging technology. Sunny Health and Fitness Walking Treadmill is one of the most powerful electric treadmills with indoor motor power of 2.5 peaks. That can take a user from 0.6 miles per hour up to 5 miles per hour on the go. Stepping onto the affordable Sunny Health and Fitness Walking Treadmill, users will feel the wide deck with 44L x 19.5 W-inch running space and stay comfortable with its built-in shock absorption technology. Number 2. 3G Cardio Pro. The 3G Cardio Pro treadmill is the perfect tool for any modern fitness fanatic and is very suitable as the best electric treadmills for older people. Featuring a long 20.5 inches by 58 inches running belt, you'll be able to walk in comfort no matter your size and enjoy a smooth workout without interruption. Number 3. BiFanuo 2-in-1 Treadmill. Get ready for a smooth workout with the BiFanuo 2-in-1 foldable treadmill. This product is compelling and energy efficient, providing you with an intense run without breaking the bank. The quiet 2.25 HP motor makes sure your son or daughter still gets sleep, even if you're burning off some calories on it. Number 4. Exerpeutic TF900 Treadmill. The Exerpeutic TF900 walking treadmill is a compact, space-saving home treadmill that will help you get in shape from the comfort of your own home. This walking machine is designed for fitness walking and offers up to 4 miles per hour maximum speed and a 1.5 HP motor, guaranteeing reliability. The LCDs display time, distance, calories burned, and speed with easy reference so you can keep track without taking eyes off the road ahead. Number 5. NordicTrack T6, 5's Treadmill. NordicTrack T6, 5's Treadmill. Get all the interactive training you need from your own home while also experiencing live, studio, and global workouts with IFIT live connections. In addition, enjoy a 1-month trial individual membership of IFIT workout production. With 10% incline control and 10 miles per hour smart speed control, both one-touch. Plus a tread belt of 20 inches by 55 inches for plenty of breathing room when running. Say goodbye to the hard pavement and rocky trails with this NordicTrack treadmill. Number 6. Goplus 2-in-1 Treadmill. The Goplus 2-in-1 treadmill has 2 modes that make it versatile for your different workout needs. This includes up to 4 km per hour low-intensity walk or jogs for home use and a 12 km per hour high-intensity run to lose weight at the office. It's made with a space-saving design giving you more room, is powerful with an ultra-quiet 2.25 HP motor, so you don't disturb others, and comes with a steady steel frame making it durable. Number 7. XTERRA Fitness TRX4500. Take your fitness routine to the next level with our XTERRA Fitness TRX4500 treadmill. This treadmill is covered by a lifetime protection plan, featuring a smooth and powerful high-torque 3.25 HP motor. You can easily scan the necessary data on the treadmill's large blue backlit LCD display. Number 8. SereneLife SLFTRD25. The SereneLife SLFTRD25 manual treadmill is a convenient and efficient piece of exercise equipment. We make it easy to stay motivated with our sports app connection that hosts fitness sessions for all fitness levels. One of the best manual treadmills in our list features a large running surface, 15.75 by 43.30, so you can stretch your limits while staying safe from injury. Number 9. ProGear HCXL 4000 Manual Treadmill. The ProGear HCXL 4000 Manual Treadmill is one of the best-selling walking treadmills for senior citizens. With its extra-wide 20 inches belt, This manual treadmill was made for any sized individual and even had the ability to handle 400 pounds of max weight capacity. Number 10. HCI PhysioMill Treadmill. If you have a tough workout schedule, then it's time to trade in your old piece of equipment for an HCI Fitness PhysioMill Rehabilitation Treadmill. We're so sure we can help you with your rehabilitation needs that we'll let you walk away from risk-free. The speed can be incremented from 0.1 miles per hour up to 12 miles per hour. Which treadmill you think is best for you? Tell us in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then feel free to mention them in the comment section and we will surely respond to your request. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.